One of the things that I really liked about the program was that we could actually take what we learned in the classroom and apply it to the field. Growing up, I have always enjoyed being outdoors. Whenever I heard about the Park Resource Management program at Sleepy Rock University, it was like perfect for me. One of the classes is a wildlife and wildlands management class, and we were able to work with different state parks in the area and work with professionals and wildlife managers to actually go outdoors for your courses. Do things like wildlife surveys, species identification, track identification. I was able to complete an internship at the Pittsburgh Zoo PPG Aquarium with the Conservation Education Department. And from there, I actually also completed an internship with Shavers Creek Environmental Center. Then after graduating, I went off to work with the U.S. Forest Service in Southeast Alaska. So the Parks and Conservation Department offers 2 degrees. They offer the Environmental Education degree as well as the Parks and Resource Management degree. So if you enjoy spending time in nature and connecting people to the natural world, or contributing to the conservation of natural resources for future generations, then this program is for you.